Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, the channel that makes tech feel less like a headache and more like a smooth, easy ride. Today, we are going to show you how to use Android phone as a wireless webcam for PC or laptop. So if you are tired of staring at the grainy webcam or hunting down an extra USB cable, don't worry, your phone has got your back. And no, it is not going to be your morning coffee yet, but it will get you through those video calls like a pro. Let's dive right in. Here's what we are covering in this video. Download the DroidCam app on your Android phone. Set up permissions. Connect to the same Wi-Fi network. Select the camera on your phone. Install DroidCam on your PC. Connect your phone to PC. Let's begin. Step 1. Download the DroidCam app on your Android phone. Alright, the first things first, we need to get an app on your phone. Open the Google Play Store and search for DroidCam Wireless Webcam. Hit download, then install. Once it is on there, open the app like it is a new toy. Little tip here, don't worry about the app asking for your soul. It just needs access to your camera and mic to work properly. Totally worth it. Step number 2, set up permissions. Now time to make sure your phone is ready to perform its new job. Tap next, and when it asks if you're ready, tap got it. You will need to let the app record video and audio. Don't worry, it is just to make you look awesome during your video calls, not spy on you. Just a heads up, if you are a privacy freak, which good for you, these are the only permissions you need to worry about. Step number 3, connect to the same Wi-Fi network. Alright, here's where it gets a little techy, but hang with me. Make sure both your PC and phone are on the same Wi-Fi network. You will see the DroidCam IP address pop up on your phone. Make a note of that, it is the key to the magic. Pro tip, if your Wi-Fi connection is spotty, you might want to fix that before the next step, or else this will turn into a slow motion nightmare. Step number 4, select the camera on your phone. Now let's decide which camera we are going to use. The app gives you the option to use either the front or back camera. For the best quality, I always go with the back camera. It is like the secret weapon for sharper, clearer video. Just imagine, your phone's back camera is now super-powered webcam ready to make your calls look 10 times better. Who knew it could be this fancy? Step number 5, install DroidCam on your PC. Now let's get your PC ready for its new camera body. Open your browser and Google DroidCam download. Click the first link that pops up and download the Windows client. Run the setup file and just keep clicking next until the installation is done. It is that easy, no need to break out the tech manuals here. Here's the fun part, it is like setting up a new video game, except instead of playing, you are using your phone as a pro-level webcam. Cool, right? Step number 6, connect your phone to PC. Now that everything is set up, let's connect the dots. Open DroidCam on your PC. Use Wi-Fi as your connection type. Enter the IP address from your phone into the PC app. Hit start and you are done. And just like that, your phone is now your webcam. You didn't even need to call tech support. How awesome is that? And that's it. You have just turned your Android phone into a wireless webcam. And it was a lot easier than you probably thought, right? No more scrambling for extra cables or awkward webcam angles. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions because we're always here to make your tech life simpler. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you in the next one. Bye for now.